Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Zanzan. Yahoo! Welcome to ZanzanLife.me. Today, this weekend, I'm excited. It's a weekend. Yahoo! It's a weekend, baby. I am just driving around and I'm on a mission. I am on a mission, guys. I'm looking for a Hoover. Our Hoover has served its purpose. It's reached its end or sell by date. And now I'm going to the shops to find an alternative. I hope that I find something. I'm not sure what I'm gonna find, but I have something in mind. And hopefully I'll find it in stock. So stay tuned. So we are approaching my local Tesco's, my favorite shop. And let's see what we find.
Just recording.
Yeah, we're just going ahead to find parking. It looks a bit busy than usual following lockdown, and I'm going to find mother and baby parking. Normally those are the first to go, so let me see if I can find one. So it looks like baby and mother car park spaces are all taken. So we're gonna go and find an alternative. Baby and mother car parks are very good, especially when you're buying something bulk. You have enough car parking space. And we're going to just pull in here. Get it. Sorry. You're all masked up. You like my mask?
Tonyiga mukwano dia sembera weno produced bana chimale tuwaye mbulira boyagala neise mukwano ngondere makwini mino you got my style make up omute ompeka sima.
We got it. How much? How much? How much?
£99.
I've always wanted to have one. And it's cheaper than what we saw online. You know? It was a bit expensive online. And these are the bags. Unfortunately, they don't do bagless ones. But I'm excited because I've seen this in many companies, many big companies, care homes, nursing homes. They use these. So I'm excited to try it out. It's got the tag, of course, which they'll take off when we go at the checkout. Yeah, should we take this one?
Yeah.
They're all the same, aren't they?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh my days. I think we have to get somebody to unwrap it, to untie it. It's basically tied. You can't take it off. Come this side, Asha. You can't take it off. You have to get somebody from the counter to take it off. It's so secure. secured. All of them.
Guess we need to go find someone.
Yeah. But I'm gonna get the bags anyway. And then when I get at the counter, I'll ask.
We can go ask the people over there.
Yeah, they're all secured.
Post.
Let's go and find somebody. There might be some that side.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, I hope it fits in the book. So, there you go. Welcome. You're soon to meet your new home, young Henry. Let's see. These are the bags. And that's the Hoover. Actually, let me do. That's better. I think that's better. Let's see if the door is gonna close. I'll put this down. Huge compared to our old Hoover. So we're going to put it in front.